This is not just a bird. This is the symbol of power. The bald eagle is the national bird of the United States. With a wingspan over 7 feet, it rules the skies with confidence. Despite its name, the bald eagle isn't bald. Its white head represents wisdom and strength. It can spot prey from miles away, making it one of nature's deadliest hunters. Once near extinction, the bald eagle made a powerful comeback. Freedom, strength, survival. This is the bald eagle. Follow for more wild facts.